Welcome back. Today we are on farm and it's about a 10,000 hectare irrigation and dryland cropping farm, and I think everyone would agree in ag this is the best day of the year, harvest. The reason we're out on this farm today is they've done a beautiful trial comparing Green Lightning to their conventional nitrogen program. We'll go through today what they used and how they applied it, and then the yield monitoring and all that at the end. So to start, both the trial paddocks got 200 kilos of urea rip-tilled pre-sowing on the 6th of November. The rest of the crop's life, the independent agronomist used N24 and UAN against Green Lightning. Now I'm sure there'll be some keyboard warriors that want to control, they want to complain about the nitrogen down at the start, but anyone that knows this crop or is smart enough to know this crop knows enough and will find this all very, very interesting. So both crops got seeded on the 13th of November. The GL trial got 60 litres a hectare. The conventional trial got 30 litres a hectare of N24 mixed with 40 litres of UAN, so a total of 70. Now, seeding was a very interesting time. GL showed good results in germination, so maybe less burn on the seeds. It also showed good results in the tissue tests at V3. So the next pass was on the 4th of January. Both crops got side banded or knifed, whatever you want to call it, right next to the stem as it's shooting. GL side got 200 litres a hectare and the UAN side got 200 litres a hectare. The next pass was on the 23rd of January. Both crops got the product put on them with the side droppers. So to explain that, the sprayer has long hoses dripping the liquid on the dirt next to the stem of the plant. GL got 400 litres, UAN side got 200. Again, on the 13th, they got the same with the same side droppers. GL got 400 litres, UAN got another 200. The final pass on the 17th of March, still using the side dropping method. Green Lightning got 200 litres put down and the UAN crop got 100 litres. Now, I think they do this one right at the end, depending if the plant needs nitrogen or not, depending on how the cob's coming along. Now, I'm going to pause for a minute and put that all into perspective. So the Green Lightning side got 1,260 litres. Now at 3 cents a litre to make that in power, that cost the farmer $37.80 per hectare for the season. The N24 and UAN crop used 770 litres, and let's say they got it for 80 cents a litre, that is $616 a hectare. So that's a huge $578 a hectare. There's not much to say. If Green Lightning holds its yield, I don't think there's another machine in ag that would profit that much per hectare in 2026. So we'll show the UAN crop John Deere link data first. I want to make a note about both these crops. Obviously they were sown at the same time. It was very, very cold start for the year, so neither crops have yielded to their full potential, but they were still sown on the same day. There's nothing this crop got wrong, it was just a cold start. Now the Green Lightning John Deere link data, from I thought we had a huge advantage of our UAN. I would have guessed a tonne or more, but I don't know grain corn that well. But from the data, as you can see, it's about a 2.6 yield gain. I won't quote this year's grain price, but if we look at $350 a tonne, the Green Lightning side just gained the farmer $102 a hectare. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more information on this trial or any other data we've got, please don't hesitate to call 1300 455 112 to get any of the boys for any state in Australia or New Zealand. Thank you very much.